From black rhinos to blue whales, when we think of conservation, many of us think of it as the science of saving endangered species. But that's only a small part of a far bigger picture. After all, species are only a small part of biodiversity, ecosystems and habitats on land and in our rivers and seas. And, as the researchers at the University of Oxford's Interdisciplinary Centre for Conservation Science know, it takes a broad range of disciplines to design, carry out and monitor truly effective strategies to conserve nature. So, as well as ecology and biology, they draw upon subjects as diverse as sociology, psychology, anthropology and economics in their search for sustainable solutions to the global biodiversity crisis. They know that conservation is not always the priority for local communities living in some of the most biodiverse areas of the world. So, to have a hope of reversing damage and decline, it's vital they develop a deep understanding of the relationship between local people and the natural resources they rely on. Do they need them for food or income? For rituals or medicine? What would persuade them to change their behaviour and the way they use these resources? Would stronger enforcement deter poachers or force them to try other tactics? Does the protection of one area simply move the problem elsewhere? Interdisciplinary conservationists also act as mediators between communities affected by development and the developers themselves. And engaging more closely with businesses on their responsibility to manage their impact on the environment and protect nature for future generations is another important part of the complex picture that is the science of modern conservation. Discover more about the important work being done to understand and support effective conservation efforts at our website www.oxfordsparks.ox.ac.uk and follow us on social media.